This special edition of ABC 10 News starts now.
The United States now has a third vaccine in the fight to eradicate COVID-19. Today, the Food and Drug Administration issued an emergency use authorization of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Good evening. I'm Vanessa Van Hefty. ABC 10 News reporter Rena Nakano explains how this will help the nation's vaccine shortage.
The FDA Saturday gave emergency use authorization for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. This is the third EUA following Pfizer and Moderna. Medical professionals around the country are applauding the FDA for its unprecedented quick approval.
The fact that we have a third vaccine in less than a year is amazing.
The single-shot J&J vaccine is 72% effective in the U.S., much lower than its double-shot counterparts, Pfizer's 95% and Moderna's 94%. But Dr. Abisola Olulade with Sharp Staley says the key is in the details.
It doesn't mean it's an inferior vaccine because you can't compare these trials head to head. It's like comparing apples to oranges.
Unlike the first two trials, the J&J vaccine trials happened after the spread of the UK, South African, and other variants. And it uses a different technology to fight the virus. While its efficacy is lower, its mortality rate is virtually none.
No one was hospitalized after 28 days, and no one died in the vaccine arm. That's really, really good.
The FDA EUA comes a day after San Diego County announced that Petco's vaccination superstation will be shut down again due to the Moderna vaccine shortage. Governor Gavin Newsom tweeted earlier Saturday assuring Californians that the state will have 380,000 Johnson & Johnson vaccines as early as this week.
You should get whichever vaccine that you can when it's available. The best vaccine is one that you can get.
The J&J vaccine's EUA is approved for patients 18 and older, and as new tiers open up for more people to get the vaccine, it will definitely offset the vaccine shortage across the country. But Dr. Olulade says now is not the time to let our guard down. It's still important to practice social distancing and masking.
I do feel very optimistic, but I hope that we can still continue to take all these measures that will prevent things from getting worse all over again.
Rena Nakano, ABC 10 News.
And the trials showed that most of the side effects of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine were mild and moderate in severity. They include pain at the injection site, headache, fatigue, muscle aches, and nausea.